we got the Huntsman Razer keyboard. Okay, really nice as far as pressing the buttons and stuff. You can hear. Let's see if you can hear. Tapping the buttons, right? The color change, you can see the colors changing. The only thing is you can see, if you look real closely, you can see like all the, the dirt and stuff right there, but something that I would have to clean out. But the color change is really nice. I have animals, so it gets a little bit messy in there, but other than that, this is the best keyboard that I've personally ever freaking owned. It's a really cool keyboard. See that right there on each side? You can adjust it like 2 different ways. This is its like highest point, and you can push this down right here, and you can see it goes to that point, and then it goes all the way flat down. So really awesome keyboard, really cool lighting.